Good morning, children. How are you? Fine? Okay. I am Radha, your science teacher from Dr. Bisin English Medium School. Okay. Now, already we have discussed the last class. Food. Lesson number 1. Food, our fuel. Here, we have already discussed, isn't it? Food is our fuel. In the last class, I have given you some examples also. If the bike we don't have any petrol, it won't move. Is it? Already, I said you have listened the last class, I think. And are you ready with your books, everyone? Studio, notebook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, everyone. Don't forget to keep it. Okay. Ready or not? Okay. Now in the last class we have discussed about the food and is our fuel. Already I said. Here one more thing. Here the food is the most important thing for our body. Means we need to do so many works. Day to day life or not. Means we need a energy. We need a energy means what we have to take? We have to take food. We have to take food. And the food having a components. Food is having components. Here the food is divided into made up of, food is made up of several components. What it is made up of? Several different components. Means in this the food is divided into components. Means based on the content which is present in the food, it is having a different components. Based on these components, the food was having divided into, we can tell that divided into energy giving, one type, and that next one body building, next one protective. These are the food which items if you eat means we can protect from the diseases. These food items, they will give immunity power for us and they will protect us from the diseases. Now we are having a disease corona now, so we should also have mostly which are the food items means protective food items. Okay, now let us discuss what are those food items also. Did you understand till now? Means here I want to write what are those components which are present in the food. Mostly first one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. And the next one is proteins. Next one is proteins. And the next one is fats. The next one is fats. The last one but not least, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Here these are the most important food items we should have to take in the food. And here one more thing, today we are going to discuss all these 4 points. All these 4 points we have to discuss. Mostly first one is carbohydrates. What is that? First one, carbohydrates. Today's our lesson is about that carbohydrates. We are going to discuss here. Did you understand, everyone? Everyone take your notebook. What are the points I am going to write? Please note down them. Don't forget. Here, carbohydrates. Already I said the food which we are taking is having a mostly energy. Energy giving. Here this is the carbohydrate which gives the energy. Which gives the energy. It will give instant energy. Mostly. Carbohydrates. Did you understand? Here the carbohydrates are nutrients that gives our body energy. And one more thing, these carbohydrates are helpful for us to work and to play. And next one is in our day-to-day life, these carbohydrates helpful for us to do more work. And mostly you may ask, madam, it is giving the energy. Can you tell me some of the examples where these will be present? Mostly you can see these carbohydrates in cereals. Cereals means here we can tell that cereals are the means rice, wheat. Daily if you are taking the rice and wheat, chapati, is that mostly they will give that most of the energy for us. Energy for us. These carbohydrates mostly present in the cereals, fruits, vegetables. Is it? And the next one, here also we can call it as a energy giving food. These carbohydrates we can call them as a energy giving food. You can see here grains means here, you can observe cereals means rice and wheat. Means if you are having these two, you will get a more energy. Energy giving food we can tell carbohydrate is a energy giving food. And next one, sources of carbohydrates. Mostly carbohydrates we can see. Already I said cereals, rice and wheat. Those items which are made with the rice and wheat, they will have a more carbohydrates. Along with that, mostly we can see the vegetables. In the vegetables, sweet potato, chilakadumpa. In the meanwhile, I will use that Telugu words for the better understanding. Here that sweet potato, next carrot, beetroot, these are mostly having carbohydrates. The next one, most of the fruits we will have, you can observe here, is it cherries, orange, banana, these are the food items. You can see that they are having mostly carbohydrates. And the next one, you can see that sweets like here biscuits and cola drinks, and mostly honey and sugar is also having a carbohydrates. If you want a energy giving, mostly now you should have to get energy, means if you take all these you will get more energy. This means energy giving thing is carbohydrates. Did you understand? Energy giving food is carbohydrates. Till now did you understand? Next one, we are going to that fats. Most of you think that if you are having a fat content, you will become a stout. Obesity means you will become a stout or not, they will think. But here, if you are taking in a small correct content, it is also very good for our health. It is also good for our health. We can tell that these fats are the energy storers. Energy store. This will give that energy stores. Actually, it will store the energy when you are not getting the food. Sometimes you may feel hungry, but in time you can't take that food. Then you will do that work. How you are doing that work? Means these fats will store the energy. When you need that, it will give out. Did you understand? I am telling here that fats are that energy storers. Fats means they are the energy storers. You may think that they will become more fatty and this is the enemy for us. We should not have more and more like that. You should not have more, but you should have limited quantity. That is very good for our health. Some of the fatty acids, they will give that good color to our skin also. They will give moisture to our skin. Did you understand? Now I will tell some of the food items where the fats will be there. Mostly it in the egg, milk, next ghee, cheese. All these are the fatty contents or not? You can observe in the chart also. Milk, cheese, paneer, like this everything, cashews, peanuts, or next coconut oil, you can observe fish, meat, almond, and all these are having a fats. Actually, if you all have taken in a correct quantity, they are very good for our. Every day you only need a small quantity of fat only, not a more, but it is very rich for our energy. Did you understand? Very rich for our energy. And the next one, you can get into that. This one is that first one. The next one is this one. I am telling you about the components of the food. Did you understand? This is the components of the food. And one more, next one is proteins. Next one is proteins. Proteins, we can call them as another name for the proteins, we can tell bodybuilding. They are helpful for that bodybuilding food. Means here the food is very good for that, proteins are very good for our body to build the body. How much I'm strong, like that you will tell or not. You can see in movies, they will be, means they are taking more protein content food. They are taking more protein content food. Here the proteins can be divided into two parts, that protein P, protein A. You may ask, what is A, what is P, madam, what is that? Means the proteins which are coming from the plants. Those proteins we can call as a protein from the plants, whereas protein from which we are getting from the animals, that is protein animal. Okay, protein A we can call that name. Did you understand? Here that energy food rich in proteins, so we can call as a body building food, and the proteins keeps us body strong. If you are having a more proteins means your body is very strong, and they help us to body building and also the repair the parts. When you are fallen down, you will get some scratch. After the few days, what will happen? That wound won't be there. How? What happened to that wound? When you are having a more proteins, these proteins will help you to get more skin there itself, and you won't get any wound there. You can see normal skin for later days because of these proteins only, and it helps to repair your skin. It helps to repair your skin, and also it helps to develop the muscles and also our body parts. Till now, did you understand? And here one more thing you have to, already I said the proteins can be divided into two parts, that is protein P, protein A. Here P indicates that, P indicates the plant, A indicates the animal, A indicates the animal. Till now, did you understand? Everyone, here the carbohydrates are energy giving food, means the examples are the cereals and some of the fruits, the vegetables, okay, and they will give the energy for us, and you can see the fats, and these are can be called energy storers, when they are very good for our health, when you are taking in limit quantity, not more. Every day you have to take a limit quantity, and it will give very healthy for us. It will give good color for our skin, and it will help us to store the food inside our body. If you are taking more, it will store more and we will look stout. If you are taking in a limited quantity, it will keep correctly and we can see nicely. Did you understand? So we should have to take in a limited quantity. And the next one, protein. It is a body building component. Means it helps to develop the body. It helps to develop the body. Till now, did you understand? Means it helps us to develop the body's muscles, and next helps to repair the skin. You can, when you fall, already I said, it helps us to repair it. And the next one here, the plant parts, the proteins which are obtained from the plants are actually, you can see the green gram in your house. Pesalu untai telsa. And when they will soak in that, soaked at the night time, in the morning itself, they will get some roots like this. You can observe like this. Is it? Chickpeas and red gram also they will get like this. In this, mostly it is coming from the plants, and these seeds will be coming from the plants. And when these seeds are getting like that, if you are eat these protein content food, it is very good for our health, and it is having a more and more. It is having a more and more. You can observe here. I will show you pulses here. Here, this is the green gram. Okay, and here if you soak it, after one day you will get some roots outside from the chick. Then those are the most important for us. Okay, the next one is that nuts, means groundnut, almond, okay, cashew nuts. These are the nuts which are very good for our health, and mostly we are having a protein. All these are coming from the plants only. I am telling about this. All these are coming from the plants only. All these proteins are coming from the plants only. Okay, and the next one, grains, ginjal and oats. Some of the oats we will eat or not, whole wheat. And next one, vegetables. In the vegetables, spinach, next peas and bronchial. Actually here these are that mostly having a protein content. Okay, these are having mostly protein content, and these are mostly coming from the plants. And the main advantage of that, these proteins are, they are having a less fatty content. They will have a very less fat. They will have a less fat in each and every food. All these components will be there, but they will have some percentage. Is it? I said that some of the food they will have a more carbohydrate. In rice, carbohydrates are more when compared with the proteins and fats. Okay, did you understand? Like that, they will have a percentage. In our protein, the food which we are getting from the plants, that is the proteins, are having main advantage. Less fatty contents are there. It is very good for our health. I said you have to take a less fatty contents. I said or not? In that, if you are taking a more food content, plant contents, plant proteins, if they are having a less fatty contents. And next one, that's this is that about that here protein plants. And next comes to the protein from animals, proteins which are coming from the animals. Here one more thing, here these are that dairy products, means milk, ghee, cow, what is that, cheese, butter, all these are coming from the animals or not? This is the dairy products and the meat of the animals, chicken, mutton, we get fish, prawns or beef. These are all are the animal protein contents, but in this they are having a more fats, more fatty contents. That is the disadvantage from the animals. It is having a more fat, whereas the proteins in the plants are more, whereas here the plants are more having a less fat. Have a less fat. Here it is having a more fat. More fat content will be there. That is the small disadvantage of that, but it should be. If you are taking, that is also in a correct manner, not a more, that is also good for our health. I said not to have that. I didn't tell to not to have, but once in a week you can have. Okay, daily, some of the members, they will eat daily and daily. You should not have it daily, once or twice you can have it. Okay, comes to that. Next one, animal food such as maintain more fat. Okay, already I said the animals which gives the food, they are having a more fats, and humans also having a plant resources type of proteins that animal can provide. Here I want to explain for you like this. It is very good for that. Then you can observe. See the page number 6, everyone. Page number 6, your studio book. You can open it. See page number 4 first. Here, this is the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the energy food items, and it mostly present in the cereals. Here they have given a tabular form. You can observe here, and here the sources of the carbohydrates. Where the carbohydrates you can see, observe here that these are the sources. In these food items, mostly carbohydrates are present. Everyone, can you see? Everyone, you can observe here. The next one you can observe here. They have given a poem here about the fats. It will telling that part is telling about itself only. I am here, I am there in these food items. Please have in a little quantity, not in a more quantity. It reciting a poem. Did you understand, everyone? And the next one comes to that 14, page number 6. Page number 6, here they have divided the proteins into two parts. That is protein P, protein A. Here the protein P is that protein which is coming from the plants, and the protein A is the protein which is coming from the animals. Till now, did you understand? I want to explain it to you for you. Here next one more mean, here the proteins which are sources of the proteins is includes. Already I said now, you have to see the seeds. Seeds you have to have it, and the nuts, almond, groundnuts, like the cashew nuts, almost they are having a mostly proteins. And the next one here, grains, oats, wheat, carbohydrates means more. Here, whole grains such as oats, whole wheat. Next, vegetables such as spinach, peas, bronchial. Here, these are the proteins which are obtained from the plant, and this is the most important. Okay, next in the page number 7 also you can observe here. This is the main advantage to eat that plant-based proteins is that they contain a less fat, that the proteins from the animal sources is having a less fatty contents. And next one here, that's the value point. Here one more thing, we should eat that plants. Humans also get many other nutrients like vitamins and minerals along with the proteins. If you are eating that proteins which are coming from the plants along with the proteins, one more is there for us to discuss, that is vitamins and minerals. That we will get from this plant protein also. Do you understand? If you eat this plant proteins, you will get along with that vitamins and minerals also. One more thing, turn the page, see here, page number 5. Here I have page number 6. I want to tell plant proteins obtained from the animals. Here dairy products, milk, cheese, butter. These are the things we are getting from the animals. And the next, eggs, meat of animals, means chicken, mutton, everything prawns, everything fish. These are the things we should, we will get protein A from this animals only. Okay, next one more thing is humans get a variety of plant sources to get some type of protein. Then animals can be provided. Can actually, if you are eating it in a correct manner, whatever, if you are taking in a limited quantity, that is very good for our health. If you are taking a more and more, is it? If you are having a chips packet, 1 or 2 is no problem. If you are eating a 10 and 20, then it will be harmful for your health or not. In the same manner, if you are taking a food in a better quantity, it is very good for our health. Okay, till now did you understand? If we are taking more and more nutritious food, it is very good for our health and it will develop the bodybuilding proteins. Till now did you understand everyone? Everyone, I want to tell you, please when I am giving the homeworks, please check it out and do it. Yesterday I have given a work for you. In the last class, I have given a work for you. Did you listen or not? Here write some food items. Already I said for you. This is the homework. Did you do that homework? Okay. Again I want to give some more homework. Can you do? I will give the reading homework for you. Can you read that page number up to page number 7? Page number 7 up to here. Read page number 7, 1 to page number 7. If you recollect, once again, the next class we can continue it. Okay, don't forget to read the textbook. Then you can understand more and more. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me in the next class. Okay, thank you.